back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to track social media leads from Facebook to Zoho CRM. So are you an owner of a business and you're tired of adding your leads data from your application into your CRM application? Then this video is definitely for you. Over here, I am a business owner. I'm a digital marketing agency business owner and I promote my business using Facebook lead ads. And I use Zoho CRM application to maintain the data of my leads. Now over here, I receive multiple leads every single day using Facebook lead ads campaign. Adding them from Facebook lead ads into Zoho CRM is a very time-consuming process. So to automate this entire process, I have built a connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever by the potential customers or clients a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead is going to be created as a contact in my Zoho CRM account. So now we want to learn the entire process step by step. For that, I'm going to take you towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So as an owner of a digital marketing business, I use Facebook lead ads to capture potential customers' details directly from targeted campaigns. And I use Zoho CRM to organize those leads, track interactions, and convert them into paying clients more efficiently. To streamline this process, I've set up an automation that automatically sends every new lead from Facebook lead ads into my Zoho CRM and create that lead as a contact in my account. This creates immediate follow-up and better lead management. And I'm going to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After browsing the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. I want to tell you about Pabbly Community first. Pabbly Community is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates. You can get help not just only from our team members but also the fellow users. In this space, you can share your feedback, find automation tips, and also ask questions. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description box below. As now I've browsed the website of Pabbly Connect, you will find two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you will find the All Pabbly Apps section in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation in our Pabbly Connect account, we have to create a new workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner and you will find two methods for creating this amazing automation, the new beta method or the old classic method. I'm going to select the new beta method in order to create this amazing workflow. For that, I'm going to select the option from here. Then you can see it is asking for the workflow name. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Track Social Media Leads from Facebook to Zoho CRM. Okay. And for the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select Workflows folder and click on this Create button. As I've done that, the workflow is successfully created and you can see it is asking for us to set up our trigger step. In an automation process in Pabbly Connect, there are two major steps. One is the trigger step, other one is the action step. Our entire automation depends on these two principles. Trigger gives the commands and action steps follows them. That is why there is only one trigger step but multiple action step. Let us set up our trigger step first, in which my trigger application, I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads. As now whenever a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, I want the trigger should capture the response of that. And for my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. This window is then going to appear, on which click on add new connection. Then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button right over here. It says, do I want to continue with this account? Yes, I'm going to click on this continue button and on this continue button right over here. And as I'm going to do that, automatically Facebook lead ads is going to be successfully authorized with Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for us to select the page using which page are we promoting our Facebook lead ads. I am promoting my Facebook lead ads using this page, that is Digital Dynamics. So for the page over here, I'm going to select over here as Digital Dynamics as my page. Okay. Then over here, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. I have created a lead gen form in the name of Digital Dynamics lead form. So I'm going to select that form from here and simply click on the Save and Send Test Request button right here. As I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead. And how can we generate a test lead? For that, open Meta's lead ad testing tool. Using this tool, we can generate the test lead. For the page over here, I'm going to select the page in the name of Digital Dynamics, using which I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads, using which I'm promoting my business. And for the form, I'm going to select it over here as Digital Dynamics lead form. And then I'm going to click on this preview form button. Then it is asking for the details of my lead, like the first name, last name, email, and the phone number. So now we are going to fill in all the dummy details right here. For the first name, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as lead4445. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testlead4445@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. After filling in all the details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on the submit button to do the test form submission. As now it is done, you can see thanks, you're all set. That means now the test lead has been generated. So if I'm going to open my workflow that I've created and scroll down and wait over here for a few seconds, you can see the response of the new lead been generated has been captured in my trigger. First name is test, last name is lead4445. Email is testlead4445@pabblytudes.com. This is the mobile number with all the other details. So as now the response has been captured over here in my trigger of the lead being generated, this means that our trigger setup of Facebook lead ads new lead instant is now been successfully done. Now whenever by the potential customers or clients a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically the trigger is going to capture the response of that. Now let us set up our action step, in which from action application I'm going to select over here as Zoho CRM. Now we have the lead. Now we have to create that lead as a contact in our Zoho CRM account. And from action event over here, I'm going to select over here as create contact. And then I'm going to click on this connect button right here. This window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection. Then click on this connect with Zoho CRM button. It is asking for the domain. My Zoho CRM's domain is zoho.in. You can see after the CRM dot. This is the domain. I'm going to copy this domain from here, and you will also find your domain in the same manner. Okay. And then it is asking for the permission for my account, for which I'm going to click on this accept button, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this accept button right here. And as I'm going to do that, Zoho CRM is automatically going to be connected. Firstly, it is asking for the lead source. For that, I'm going to toggle this button on and erase this existing data from here. And for the lead source over here, I'm going to write it as Facebook lead ads as the lead source. Okay. And then it is asking for the data of my lead, the contact details. Okay. So now for the data of these fields, we're going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, the previous step is going to appear in front of you. As I'm going to click on it, the response that was captured in our previous step is going to appear. It is asking for the first name of my lead, and you can see this is the first name of my lead. This is the lead I want to create as a contact in my Zoho CRM. So I'm going to select the data of the first name of my lead from my previous response. So as now I've selected the data from my previous response, this data has now been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I'm going to map all the details like the last name, email address as well right over here. It is asking for the title. For the title, I'm going to write it as new lead generated. Okay. It is asking for the department, which I do not have, so I'm going to skip the part. For the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number. For the mobile number, I'm going to map the data of the same mobile number right over here. Then it is asking for all these details, which I do not want, so I'm going to simply skip the part and click on this Save and Send Test Request button right here. As I've done that, I have received a response, which is a positive response. If I'm going to open my Zoho CRM account and refresh this contacts page from here, You can see right here the new lead has been added as a contact in the name of testlead4445. Email is testlead4445@pabblytudes.com with the mobile number. Okay. So as now this lead has been successfully added as a contact in my Zoho CRM account, this means that the connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM has now been done successfully. So now as the connection between these two applications is done, I want to show you how this amazing automation will work in real life. We are going to again generate the test lead using Meta's lead ads testing tool and then check whether automatically a new contact has been added in my Zoho CRM or not. Okay. So now for generating the new lead, I'm going to open Meta's lead ads testing tool. So this is Meta's lead ads testing tool. For the page, I'm going to select it over here as Digital Dynamics. Form is going to be the same form. It says you can create only one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing one in order to create a new one. As I've already created a lead with the help of this form, so I'm going to delete this lead from here and refresh the page. It is mandatory to delete the lead and refresh the page because you can only create one lead per form. Okay. For the page, again, I'm going to select over here as Digital Dynamics. For the form, I'm going to select the same form and click on this Preview Form button right here. Then it is asking for all these details. Firstly, it is asking for the first name of my lead. So for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as demo. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as lead55. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as demolead55@pabblytudes.com. Okay. And for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. Okay. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on the submit button right here. As I've done that, it says, thanks, you're all set. That means now the test lead is generated. So if I'm going to open my Zoho CRM account and refresh this contacts page from here, you can see a new contact in the name of demo lead 55 is now been successfully added with the email address and the phone number. Okay. So as now a new contact has been created, this means the connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho CRM is now been done successfully. So now to sum up till now what we have done, as soon as by the potential customers or clients, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically the trigger Facebook lead ads new lead instant is going to capture the response of that. And as now we have the leads data, using the details, automatically a contact is going to be created of that lead in my Zoho CRM account. And in this manner, I've built a connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.